Hey, what's going on, folks? Alex here, and we have another video here, and today is going to be my last riding day of the season video. Well, technically it's a compilation of my last couple of riding days, but this is not the last video. I got tons of raw footage and I'll be posting it throughout the winter, and those vlogs, they're gonna be pretty much silent, I guess. That's because I simply don't know what to say, and the moment the camera turns on, my brain slows down for some reason, you know what I'm saying? And prepping lines and writing scripts, it takes way too long, and I don't want to do that because it's more like a full-time job, and I just want to keep things simple, Those rides, they are slow and relaxed and not aggressive at all, and you might even find them a bit boring, but it's actually good for falling asleep, right? Anyway, enough of me talking BS. Let's ride. Thank you for joining for today's video. Today is October 26th. It's kind of a special day. Exactly 40 years ago this day, Marty McFly performed his very first time travel trip, journey, whatever. Anyways, speaking about today, it's, I believe, 8 degrees Celsius. It's about 45 degrees Fahrenheit. A little bit chilly, but it's okay. Blue skies, not a single cloud up there in the skies. And today I'm gonna ride to Port Dover, and we're gonna find out how it looks like without the rally. As you might know, every Friday 13th there is a biggest single day rally in North America, like it's biggest in North America. Let's check this out. Let's go. some instant coffee today. I decided to stop at the Turkey Point. This is Turkey Point Beach. Nice place, and everything is closed because the beach season is over. Nobody's here, literally nobody. Just look at that. My rear tire, it's almost bald, 13,000 miles on it. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results. Yeah, it's kind of shit on the rain, when it's raining, when it's wet, but it lasts. At least it lasts. Check this out. It's almost bald, right? Anyways, let's go.
Make a lot of noise for a little fella.
Sorry about that. And I think this is it for today. But yeah, as I said before, I got a lot of videos, so I'm gonna publish them. Oh, look at that. Whoa, nice car, isn't it? But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna publish all my videos like weekly or something. And yeah, see you on the next one.